Dear student, good morning everybody. Today discuss area of sector and segment of circle. Here definition of sector of circle. The portion and part of the circular region enclosed by two radius and the corresponding arc is called the sector of circle. So this is two radius and corresponding arc. This is arc. So this area called the sector. Segment of circle, the portion or part of circular region enclosed between a chord and corresponding arc. Chord and corresponding arc in this region is called segment of circle. Some formulas here use area of the sector of angle theta. The angle theta here make angle theta by arc. So pi r square into theta upon 360 degree. Length of an arc of a sector of angle theta. So theta upon 360 degree. This value interchange but not different because 2 pi r here and here not matter. So 360 upon theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. And area of segment APB. APB. Find the value of area of segment APB. So formula is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus area of triangle AOB. This value is subtract. Note area of major sector equal pi r square minus area of minor sector. Area of major segment equal pi r square minus area of minor segment. And area of major sector, this formula also use 360 degree minus theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Because the complete angle is 360 or theta is a minor arc angle, so if you will subtract in 360, so the angle is major arc. So also use this formula. Now start exercise 12.2. Find the area of sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if angle of the sector is 60 degree. So here find the area of sector. Here given r is equal to 6 cm and angle is theta and theta is equal to 60 degree. Formula area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So theta is 60 degree upon 360 degree. Here is pi 22 upon 7 into r is 6. So 6 into 6, here r square. This value dividing 60, 6 the 360 and 6 cancel out. So here 22 into 6 upon 7. Multiply 6 2 ja 12, 2 carry 1, 6 2 ja 12 and 13 upon 7 centimeter square. Next question. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So you also know that a quadrant make the angle 90 degree. So here circumference is 22. So given circumference is equal to 22. Circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 22. So r is equal to 22 upon 2 pi. Here is 22 upon 2 into pi is 22 upon 7. So this value are cancel out. So here 7 upon 2 centimeter. Okay. So here find the area of quadrant. So this area find, and theta also 90 degree. So area of quadrant is equal to, also use the area of sector formula, theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Theta is 90 degree upon 60 degree into pi is 22.7 into radius is 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. Okay. So 9 4 ja 7, 1 7 cancel out, and 2 this cancel out, this is 11. So 11 into 7 upon 2 4 ja 8. So this is 77 upon 8 centimeter square. This is answer. Next question. The length of minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So this is draw figure. This is watch, the minute hand and hour hand in 5 minutes here. So this angle we will find this angle. So given r is equal to 14 centimeter, length of minute hand is also called the radius of this watch. We know that in 1 hour the minute hand rotates 360 degree. In 1 minute the minute hand rotates 360 upon 60, because the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So divide by 60. So this is 6 degree. In 5 minutes the minute hand rotate 6 into 5, because in 5 minutes, so 30 degree. So here theta is 30 degree. But find the area. So area of swept by the 5 minute is equal to, also use formula, area of sector. So theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So theta is 30 degree, 360 degree into pi is 22.7, or radius is 14 into 40. So this cancel out, 3 1 is 3, or 3 2 is 6, 7 2 is 14, 2 6 is 12, or 2 11 is 20, 3, 2 3 जा 6 और 2 7 जा. So here 11 into 7 into 2 14 upon 3. 14 1 जा 14 4 14 into 14 and 15 54 upon 3 centimeter square. Next question is fourth question. A chord of a circle of radius is 10 centimeter subtended at right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. Use phi is equal to 3.14. Given r is equal to 10 centimeter and theta is equal to 90 degree. So area of sector OACB. OACB means minor arc, minor sector. Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Put the value of theta 90 degree. So divide 9 4 ja 36. So this is and 4 2 4 ja and 2 5 ja 10. So 2 5 ja 10. So this is 3.14 and 5 into 5 is 25. So multiplying here, so this value, this is area of minor segment. Minor sector, sorry, not minor segment, minor sector. Area of triangle OAB is equal to 1 upon 2 into OA into OB, because this is the right angle. So height into base, this is height and this is base, also called. So 1 upon 2 into 5 into 10, divide 5 into 10, 50 centimeter square. Now area of minor segment is equal to area of minor sector minus area of triangle OAB. So area of minor sector is 78.5 and area of triangle OAB is 50. So subtract here, this is the 28.5 centimeter square. Area of major sector OACB. This formula also discuss. So 360 minus theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So put the value of 90 degree here, theta. So this is 270 degree and 360 degree. Pi is 3.14, also given that. So divide here, this is 10 10. 9 3 ja 27 and 9 4 ja 36. 0 0 also cancel out. So 2 5 ja 2 5 ja. So here 3 into 3.14, 5 into 5 25. So complete is 235.5 centimeter square. Here value second point is find the major sector. So here only solve here, but next other method is pi r square minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. So this value is this, and theta, this value also find 78.5. So this complete is 314 minus 78.5. So this is also find this method value. Next question is fifth question. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtended of 60 degree at center. Find first the length of arc, second area of the sector formed by the arc, third is area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Here use the pi is equal to 22.7. So given that, the draw a figure here. So r is equal to 21 centimeter and theta is 60 degree. So length of arc formula is theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. because here is the length, but if here is area, so this is area of pi r square here is. So 360 and theta is 60 degree, so this is 60 degree. So divide here 6 6 6 36, 0 0 also cancel, 2 and 7 3 ja 21 and 3 1 ja 3 3 2 ja 6 2 1 ja 2, so this is 22. So 22 centimeter, this is the length of arc. Area of sector theta upon 360 degree into pi r square, also you know that. So put the here value 60 and this is 360. Pi is 22 upon 7 or r is 21 into 21. Here use square, so this is 21 into 21. Simply cancel out in this type. So here use 11 and this is 21. So 11 into 21 is 231 centimeter square. In this triangle, this angle is 60 degree and this side also equal because this is the radius of same circle. So using this triangle, angle A is equal to angle B because O is equal to OB, and sum of all interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So use this statement here. So angle A, angle B also equal angle A. So this angle A, angle O, this is 60 degree. So use here 60 degree. So this is 2 angle A, subtract here. So this 120 degree divided by 2. So this is 60 degree. Therefore triangle OAB is a equilateral triangle. So we also know that area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 into side square. So root 3 upon 4 into 21 into 21. 21 into 21 is 441 and root 3 is root 3 upon 4 centimeter. Further solve this value. So value of root 3 is 1.732 divided by 4. So this value multiply is here divided by, so this is 190.95 centimeter square. But here find the area of segment. So further solving, so area of segment ACB is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. So this is area of sector, this is area of triangle. Again solving this, put this is, so value of this also solve in previous page. So 190.95 subtract here, so 40.05 centimeter square. Sixth question, a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of circle. Here use the pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73. Given that r is equal to 15 centimeter and theta is equal to 60 degree. In triangle AOB, OAB also, this triangle, same process in previous question. And also find the area of triangle, this, because here this is the equilateral triangle, so area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 side square. Put the value of root 3 also given here. Side is 15, so 15 into 15 divided by 4, multiply here. So this is 97.3125 centimeter square. You will use here this value also 97.31, decimal 2 digit of decimal. So again solving this question number 6 also. So here find the value of area of triangle, but again value find the area of minor sector. So area of minor sector theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Theta is 60 degree and upon 360 degree into pi value of phi is 3.14 and radius is 15, so 15 into 15. Solve this. 60 divided by 360, so this is 6 times and 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. 2 5 into 15 3.14. So 5 into 15 is 75 divided by 2. This is multiply here. So 235.5 divided by 2. So this is complete division. 117.75 centimeter square. So area of minor segment is equal to this formula also discuss. Area of minor sector minus area of triangle OAB. So area of minor sector, this area put here and this is in previous page 97.31 minus subtract here, so 20 minus 44 centimeter square. Area of major segment also pi r square minus area of minor segment. So area of pi is 3.14 into radius is 15 into 15. Here is square, so this is 2 times 15 into 15. This value is 20.44 centimeter square. 15 into 15 is 225. Multiply here to 706.5. This value same. Subtract here to 686.06 centimeter square. This is answer of question 6. Next question is 7th question. Here method is a different method of this question, previous question number 6, because this is the best method. All question, this type question solve of this method. Given that r is equal to 12 centimeter and theta is equal to 120 degree. We know that the line draw through the center of circle to bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. This theorem also studied in previous class, means class 9th, and chapter name is circle. So this is here. So to bisect, so here this length and this length also equal, because AM is equal to BM, and angle also divide into equal parts. So this is 60, because the complete angle is 120 degree, so this is 60 and this is 60 degree. In this triangle, ratio of this side of this side, so this is the adjacent side of angle 60 degree and this is the hypotenuse. So this ratio called the cos. So here use this cos 60 degree. The value of OA is 12 OM. Cos 60 is 1/2 OM 12/2 divide here to 6 centimeter. Again in this triangle find the value of this. So ratio, take the ratio AM upon OA sin 60 degree, because this is the opposite side of angle and this is hypotenuse, so this ratio also called the sine. So OA is 12 AM √3/2 sin 60 is √3/2. So cross multiply here. So 12 √3/2 divided here. So this is 6 √3. AB is equal to 2 into AM, because this is the equal two parts. So if you double AM, so this is complete AB. So 2 into 6 into root 3, this is AB, also centimeter. Area of triangle AOB is equal to 1 upon 2 into OM into AB, because this is the height and this is space in this triangle, height and base. So OM is here 6 centimeter and AB is 12 root 3. So put here 2 divided 3 times 3 into 12 root 3. So this is 36 root 3. Then root 3 value is also given. So 1.73 multiplying here, so 62.28 centimeter square. Again area of sector theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So theta is 120 degree. So 120 divided this here. So this is 3 times. Or value of pi is 3.14 and r is 12. So 2 times here square. So 12 into 12. 3 divided by 4 times 12. So 3.14 and 4 into 12 is 48. So this multiply is 150.72 centimeter square. Now area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Also this formula. So area of sector is 150.72 minus area of triangle is 62.28. Subtract here, so 88.44 centimeter square. This is the answer. Thank you for watching this video, and if you any problem, write the comment box. Thank you.